the belt suckers. Walking to the bus stop, going home. All working good. What is happening, guys? Saturday morning, on my way to pick up springs from T. He gave me a ring an hour ago. It was like, yo, come pick up your springs, they're here. So we're gonna go pick up the springs from his unit, and I've got a surprise for you guys, because T is an insane Honda fanatic. He's like a proper enthusiast. I mean, this guy knows everything. I mean, like, every time I've spoken to him, he's just on a whole another level when it comes to Hondas. Like, his knowledge is unbelievable. So let's go see him and let's see what kind of springs he's ordered me. That is a heavy ass door. Just made it to T to pick up the springs, but let me just show you guys how crazy this guy is. Got the EG right there. Got the EF there. Look at this. This is getting some serious amount of work. Look at the wheels. Oh my god. The wheels are amazing on this. Brand new arms, powder coated hubs. Like, you know what? Check this one out. T purchased it recently. It looks amazing. Check underneath. Only it is clean as hell. Look at that exhaust system. V16B in the boot. Check these wheels out, man. Beast-ass recoilovers, stupidly small steering wheel, harness bar, genuine Takata harnesses. This guy don't believe in fakes. I don't know if the bonnet's open. Oh yes. V16A2. Coilovers, wheel, bunch of crap, more crap. T's garage is worse than mine. Check all this out. Radiator. And it's got like all of these boxes full of EG parts built. Look at the bumpers up there, man. Look at that carbon fiber spoiler. Oh. B18C. Oh, look at that, there's another B16. I mean, the amount of shit this guy's got. I think these are Yaris wheels. Look at these. Oh man. Look how crazy these guys are, man. Check that out. What the? Check that, yeah. And these are my springs, yeah? Ignis springs. Little E. Oh, yes. 30 mil? Yeah, 30 mil. 30 mil. Oh, he's here. Got the springs from T, so I've been trying to fit them in the next couple of hours. Well, going to try to do the rears anyway as soon as possible. Let's do this. Right, just finished installing the rear springs, and the front springs I'm going to do them tomorrow because it's just way too dark and there's no way of me videoing it. Like literally there's no way, I just don't have enough light outside. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Right, Sunday, and turns out there is some sort of Kiara storm hitting the UK. But with me, the show will go on, so I'm gonna install the front springs and we're gonna make sure it gets done before whatever 80-90 miles an hour winds are coming this way. I'm pretty sure it's already at 50-60 miles an hour. I don't know if you guys can hear it. It is pretty windy, but let's do this. That is a lot of rain, super windy, and one more to go. Pain in the ass. I don't like doing springs. I don't think I'll be buying another set of springs ever. Straight coilover. And it's definitely not the weather, it's just I'm too lazy. Let's finish this off. I brought the car out for a test drive. I had a slight issue, so I had to go back and fix the bearing. But besides that, lowering springs went smoothly, well, super smoothly. Even though there was a storm yesterday, it was perfectly fine. Overall, I would say the ride is so much better. I mean, because of the damping of the shock absorber, the standard shock absorbers,
it is so much better. I think Suzuki should have kept the height to this actual height. It would have been much better. Besides that, you know, I've got nothing to complain. I mean, the shocks were perfectly fine. The ride height, I think it's roughly 30 mil, but of course, you know, it's apparently it takes a couple of weeks. Yes.
Right guys, that's the stock height, which is pretty high. It almost looks like it's a cross between a Honda CR-V and a Galanza for some reason. I don't know why, I just wanted to say that. Just wanted to put that out. And right, this is the stock height, how it stands. As you can see from the back, it is super high. The front, it's okay, it's not bad. And this is how it looks when the car is lowered, roughly 30 to 40 mil. What do you guys think? Let me know.
Shit box, 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 shit box.